Thanks. When do y'all get shit? Thursdays. Somebody said y'all supposed to get the Jurassic Park 2 pack.
We got it in yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Did I time it up?
Yes.
Yeah, it's all the way on the bottom now.
Thank you. edit, please.
Not a damn thing!
Welcome back to the channel, Entertainment Reviews here with another video. Hope everybody's having an amazing Friday. As most of y'all know who follow me on Facebook and Instagram, yesterday, April 5th, was my 24th birthday, and it was amazing. Thank you so much, everybody. Gave me happy birthday wishes all around. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And thank you so much. Now, I went out hunting yesterday, but I only went to a couple of places, Toys R Us, Barnes & Nobles, and I also went by Entertainment, but not for Pops. I didn't film there because I wasn't hunting for Pops. I was trying to get something ordered. I'll explain that in a minute. But, so out of the 3 places I went to, I was able to get what I needed ordered, which I'll explain in a minute. Out of the 2 other places, Toys R Us and Barnes & Noble, I only bought something at Toys R Us. Toys R Us in my area, both of my Toys R Us are closing. So I was able to get something that I've been looking for, but I've been holding off because I've never found it with a good paint and good box at the same time until now. So I went ahead and went to my Toys R Us. I went through the Pops. I saw this awesome gizmo that I couldn't afford. And I was able to get the Toys R Us exclusive Bruce Banner from Thor Ragnarok. And I'm so happy to finally own this. I finally found it with a good box and good paint, as you can see. The paint's actually pretty good. Not the best around the beard, but still better than the most I saw a couple months ago. And, you know, this looks amazing. I have been wanting this guy for a long time, but I have not been able to get him because I have not been able to find one in good shape, and I finally did. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got yesterday, just Bruce Banner. And I also got this right here, Lizzie McGuire box set volume 1. This is the main thing I asked my mom for my birthday, and I was able to order it, which is amazing. I was able to order it last night, and thank God, just thank you God, because eBay wanted 40, Amazon wanted 55. I was able to get it for $12.99 plus Entertainment shipping fee from another store to that store, which costs about $6.50, so it was like $20-something after tax. But anyways, still cheaper than Amazon and eBay. And that's pretty much what I got yesterday. Bruce Banner and Lizzie McGuire box set volume 1. Now my Lizzie McGuire US DVD collection is finally complete. Thank you, Mom. Okay, guys. So, since I was only able to get 2 things yesterday for my birthday, me and my mom decided to go out of town this morning to somewhere I haven't been to in a while because they had an FYE. So we went there, and on our way I stopped by Target because I saw on BrickSync that they had some Thanoses in, but I didn't know how many. So I went there to see, and the guy said that they had some in the back, but he only poured 1 out of the back. I needed 2. The other one was actually on hold, so I wasn't able to get it for a friend of mine, but that's okay because somebody else was able to get it for him. So I got something that I wanted, but I honestly didn't think I'd get because I didn't think my mom would actually pay the price to get it. But she gave me a certain amount to spend on my birthday, and I chose to spend a good chunk of it on this. This big A, awesome, badass looking Thanos. This guy is sick. And he looks great. And I noticed that unlike the regular 4-inch Thanos, he has a different sculpt on him. So it looks sick. This thing is huge. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I got to get new light for this room. And this guy just looks so amazing. I love the gauntlet. Looks so awesome. Just looks so freaking amazing. But yeah, this is what I got at Target on my way to where I was going. This giant Thanos. So, after I left Target, I went to where I needed to go, which was about a 2.5 hour drive. At least it felt like it. Might have been longer, might have been shorter. I don't know. I'm not that good at time. But anyways, went by FYE at this mall, and I went there hoping to find the red Power Ranger because I needed to finish my Power Ranger set. And no luck. The same with Jimi Hendrix with his flaming guitar. No luck, but here's what I did get. So the first thing I got at FYE is not pop related, and this takes me right back to my childhood, and that is Reptar cereal. Now they also had the Reptar bar, $3 a bar, so I just got the cereal for now. Hopefully if I ever get a chance to go back, I can get the bars, and maybe they're online for $3 a piece, who knows. But as a kid growing up, Rugrats was my favorite Nickelodeon cartoon. It still is my favorite Nickelodeon cartoon. That's why I got Tommy Pickles as the greatest chase in my collection. But anyways, this brings back so many memories. Just look at this awesome commercial. But anyways, Reptar cereal is so, looks like Fruit Loops, but hopefully it doesn't taste like it. But even if it does, well, I guess you're paying for the box. Everything was buy one, get one, 75% off. I don't know which ones were 75% off. I think it was probably the cheaper $7 clearance ones. But I'll go ahead and show you them first. I got the Entertainment Earth exclusive Oscar the Grouch. This is the original orange Oscar from 1969. I got Bert to go with Ernie. I've been looking for him everywhere. I went to multiple Barnes & Nobles and I never could find him, so I'm glad to finally have Bert to go next to Ernie. This right here is something I've been looking for forever. My 3 favorite John Hughes movies is 16 Candles, best movie ever, Breakfast Club, and of course Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Now I got Bueller, but I could never find Cameron. Well, I'm pleased to say that I finally got him, and he only cost $7, and he's in pretty much mint condition, box and paint. And this guy looks amazing. He has his jersey with his khakis, his hairdo, everything looks good on him. I'm finally own Cameron to put next to Ferris. I do need Dancing Ferris. Hopefully my Toys R Us still has them when I go back. But anyways, this is a look at Cameron. Let me show you the exclusives I picked up while I was there. Okay guys, so as for the 3 exclusives, 2 are FYE exclusives, 1 is not. Let me go ahead and show you what them are. The first one is the main pop I wanted since I couldn't get the Red Ranger or Jimi Hendrix. It was the main exclusive I wanted, and that is Squanchy with Rope. I'm so glad to finally own him. This pretty much finishes off my Rick and Morty set because I have no way of getting the GameStop Scary Terry, and I'm not sure when I can afford the Mad Max Pop Ride. There's a little bit of smudge there. That kind of sucks. Oh well. I'm so glad to finally own this. I'm not going to tell you too much about it because I'm pretty sure you've seen the show and you know what this represents. As for the other exclusive I've got every Walking Dead pop in Series 8. I don't know why they listed as Series 9, but it's technically Series 8. I've got every pop in that line, and I needed to finish it off with the FYE Daryl prison suit from when Negan captured him with the A on his chest. And this guy looks amazing. I love the blood splatter on the box. I love the FYE sticker. Here's a better look at him. And this guy looks amazing. So now my Wave 8 is finished. Again, not sure why it's Wave 9, but whatever. The last thing I picked up is pretty much to finish my Jurassic Park set because that's the greatest Spielberg movie ever. At least my favorite Spielberg movie ever. Next to Back to the Future. So I was able to get the Dennis Nedry Dilophosaurus 2-pack from Entertainment Earth. This guy is amazing. It's pretty much the same Dennis Nedry I already got, just with some venom or spit all over his face. And what's great is, unlike the common Dilophosaurus, they actually painted the end of the mouth black to make it look like he's about to attack Dennis Nedry. This is a great 2-pack. This finishes off my Jurassic Park set. until my pre-order at GameStop on Ellie Sattler and the Jeep comes in June. I don't know why I gotta wait that long, but whatever. So I'm so glad to finish off one of my favorite movies of all time. And that's pretty much everything that I got at FYE while I was there. I did go to Hot Topic. They didn't have anything. They had the Hot Topic Vision. I couldn't find one with the best paint and box, so I just left it there. And I went by Books A Million, and they didn't have anything either. So that's pretty much all I got was at FYE. Before I go, I got this at Target, but I forgot to show you guys. This is the King Groot Target exclusive. I think y'all might have saw it in the video. I bought this because I hear it's supposed to have an amazing glow, which it doesn't. So I'm keeping it anyways. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got at Target next to Thanos. And that's pretty much everything I got at FYE. Like I said, Hot Topic and Books A Million, they didn't have anything. I wanted to try to find Chase Phillip to go with Terrence, but I guess I'll keep searching. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this video of Entertainment Reviews. If you like what you've seen here, then give this video a big thumbs up, like and share, because it helps me a lot. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, every single one of y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. This is Entertainment Reviews, signing off.